In my mind's eye, I'm picturing some really hardworking parents with maybe kids in middle school, haven't had a chance to get out and get a vacation, but you deserve one. Is that you? Welcome to the Forest River Wildwood FSX 266 BHLE. This slideless bunkhouse RV is 29 feet 11 inches, 4,800 pounds, and can easily sleep 8, maybe more, with a very unique layout. You have a primary bedroom up front with a king-size bed, a L-shaped sofa/sleeping area in your living area, plus some double-over-double bunks and an off-camp bathroom. Now, right here in the living area is where I'm going to start. This is where I like what they did with that whole Versa Lounge appeal, because in your living area, you have a chaise, a sectional, a jackknife sofa, a sleeping area, a lot of storage, as well as your kitchen. And you notice there is no table right here. That's because we left the table outside, but there's a table that goes here. So if you want to make this an eating space, you absolutely can. But look at what you can do for your sleeping arrangements. So chaise right there, oversized jackknife right here. And now look at the area that you have to sleep. So if you have the kids and they're smaller, crashing out down here, you could probably get 1, 2, and 3 maybe on this. If not, you have a very nice long that can sleep 2 adults styled bed out of this L-shaped sofa. And underneath, you do have a storage compartment as well as open storage underneath the jackknife sofa. Now your flat front cabinets here with the little decorative brushed nickel pulls gives you some good storage space. Just watch out, you can't open both at the same time. And you'll notice that this is a large panoramic window, pleated shade. You have 110 power, as well as controls for your AC right here. Got a 15K BTU Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet, as well as a high output furnace. This is a entry-level styled RV. We have aluminum sided. It's lighter weight. It's 4,800 pounds, 29 feet 11 inches. So we're under that 30-foot sweet spot for state parks. And you even have some hangers right here. And when it comes to prepping, making the breakfast, the lunch, the dinners, whatever it may be, look at the countertop space that you have here. Pressed countertop, rounded edges, solid wood construction on full extension drawer guides on my drawers, as well as storage underneath my sink, which at this price point, having a undermounted sink is pretty nice. And add that to the fact that I have the cup washer as well. Let's see, is it going to hit me this time? Oh, nope. Okay, nothing in it. High-rise faucet, very large window, as well as flush-mounted 3-burner cooktop with a microwave underneath. What's cool about this is being slideless, it still has pretty good space. Even with the jackknife sofa out, I was okay moving here and there. So if you got the kids asleep here, you need to get to the restroom, you can easily access it without waking anybody up. And your fridge, 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge freezer combo. Since it is 12 volt, you can also run this while going down the road. Now, let's check out these bunks and bathroom. Now, in your 266 BHLE, your bunk room features double-over-double bunks right across from your bathroom with some extra pantry or ward space storage, depending on what you're using it for. Now, the double-over-double bunks here, you got the Teddy Bear Series mattress. Get a mattress topper. It'll help out. You got that both on the top and the bottom, as well as a mushroom light, a window, and USB-C and charging. But what's nice about this setup is, let's say you got the golf cases, the golf bags, you want to do your laundry baskets, your roller bags, whatever it may be, the bikes. You can put that stuff in here. That locks up back in the back, and you got really nice storage. Plus, it's open underneath. Got your storage space right there. Maximizing the storage, right? I mean, it's a small RV, so you got to maximize it. And as far as your bathroom goes, you got a high-rise bowl with the foot flush, vanity that's corner mounted, and a herringbone patterned shower surround. Now the linen storage here is adjustable, and I like this because if you needed to put something other than linen storage in there, you have the option and the versatility to do it. So that to me is a pretty nice little feature. The bowl, it's plastic, it's high rise, I'm not cramped, I got my window, I got my mirrored medicine cabinet, as well as my corner mounted vanity with matte black features and some storage space underneath. And the fact that even at an entry-level price point, we have flat front with the little brushed nickel pulls, this kind of feels like a European-style cabin, which is the flow that Wildwood is going for. And my shower, okay, now I'm 6'2", It's not a lot of headroom, but it's fine. I got plenty of room around me. I got a decorative shower curtain that actually looks nice. And right there's my shower controls, my hot and cold. Plus, I have a little bit of a lip right there to protect the spillover, so I won't mess up my easy-to-clean, slip-resistant flooring down there, which is upgraded and really does a good job of matching the flow of the color scheme inside the 266 BHLE. Now let's go take a look at that primary bedroom, aka where the parents will be knocking out. So is this like a wicker pattern? Is that what that is? I don't know, but it looks cool. It even looks like, you know, with the little accent pieces here, this pocket door looks like a barn-style door, so that's actually pretty sweet. Walk around, king-size bed up here in the primary bedroom area. So you do have separation of space from the rest of the coach. And once again, we're slideless. 29 feet, 11 inches, 4,800 pounds. The storage that you have underneath is strut supported. You got a little shelf right there for your bags, a great spot for your shoes, and this storage is accessible from the outside. So if you do have something you need to get from the pass-through storage and it's raining, you can access it from right here. Flat front cabinets, once again, on my ward storage, as well as my doors up top. And I like how my mushroom reading lights are up here. So if I needed to sit up, I can actually sit up on the king-size bed and read versus hitting my head on a shelf. I even have some extendable nightstand space over here with 110 charging and giant windows to give me cross breeze as well as some extra light. Now, let's go check out my outside. Now, on the outside of your Wildwood FSX 266 BHLE, you're going to find an extra large awning, beautiful automotive coating on your aluminum siding, as well as some pass-through storage. Now, right up front, you're going to see your manual tongue jack, 20-pound LP tank, as well as your battery box. Pro tip from me, if you can, get upgraded to 2 20-pound LP tanks because this is a bunkhouse. Got the mini diamond-plated rock right here, which is going to protect the debris coming off the road from kind of scratching our really nice, really pretty Superflex roof we got going over the top. You'll also see this is actually a wider frame for most coaches you're going to find in this entry-level price point. Powder coated, single weld, good sturdy support for this coach all the way around. Now, I like what they do with their aluminum siding. Not only does this look unique and a little bit rugged, there's also an automotive coating on this that's going to help it from fading, but also kind of give it a little bit extra protection from things while you're going down the road. You got magnetic anti-slam doors on your luggage, and right here is your pass-through storage. Spare tire is thrown in there, and you notice from the inside, that's also where we could access it under that king-size bed. Another nice little feature is a ZAMP Quick Connect. So if you get those briefcase solar panels, you can trickle charge your battery by plugging that bad boy in right there. Front stabilizer jack, steel steps leading me into my main entry point. Extra large awning with the adjustable pitch and the LED light strip. Plus we got the back of our furnace right there, or excuse me, the back of my hot water heater. Got my 110 outlet there. Steel rims on the Dexter axles. Fresh tank fill, back of my Suburban furnace. Now, pro tip, don't put a camp chair there. Don't ask me how I know or why I have a red scar on the back of my neck. No, I didn't know. Nobody told me. That's why I'm telling you. I'm passing along the friendliness. Rear stabilizer jacks, 4x4 sewer hose storage, plus we are backup ladder and backup camera prepped. You work hard. You probably haven't had a chance to give those kids the vacation that they need or deserve, and quite frankly, the one that you deserve. So don't break the bank and travel to some place where you're probably not going to have the room that you need. You might want to go to different places. Regardless of the situation, having your own RV means you can go when you want to go. And something like this isn't going to break the bank. The kids will enjoy it, you'll enjoy it, and you're sitting at 29 feet 11 inches, 4,800 pounds, with a 54-gallon fresh tank and dual 40s on your gray and your black. Good space for going off the grid. So if you're thinking, hey Chris, we'd love to get a little bit more information on this Forest River Wildwood 266 BHLE in the FSX line, check out your local Camping World or rv.campingworld.com. But if you're looking for maybe something a little bit different, maybe the bunks on the other side, a different configuration, something with the dinette, I got a couple of videos I'll link you to down below. Just do me a favor, click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young from Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Forest River Wildwood FSX 266 BHLE. I'll see you soon.